Hello, my name is Jan. I live in Casablanca, Morocco, and for my CS50 final project, I decided to make a website for my parents' bed and breakfast called Casa Ocean. This website allows them to quickly and easily generate receipts. So now I'll just demonstrate to you the Make Receipt feature, so they can select either for clients or for seminars. So I'll make a client receipt as an example. So let's say that we got the client through Airbnb. Let's say his name is Siroye Park. He's male, receipt number 4. All right, let's say he arrived on the 13th and left today. And he paid a total price of 2,345 dirhams. So now I can click on Create Receipt, which redirects me to the download page, where I can now download this document. And so just to demonstrate to you how this document now looks, it has taken all of the input information and generated a Word document for that. So as you can see, it has the receipt number, the name, the length of the stay, so 2 days, start date, end date, total price. They made some calculations for the price without tax, tax, and with tax. And then I've also written a small Python script which transforms this number into text. So just written out, say, like 2,345 actually written out in words. So now we can go back to make another receipt if we so wish. And so the second page is the statistics page, which gives us an overview of how the business has been doing in this current year. So the first section is the overview section, where we can see revenue from clients, from seminars, and just total in general. And we can also see client sources, so whether they come from Airbnb or other sources such as word of mouth. So in this case, it was 75% for this randomly generated information. And so down here, we can then see all of the data in the database organized for clients and for seminars. And for each, we can then download a CSV, which allows us to edit, to process the information in, say, Excel or Google spreadsheets. Thank you very much.